Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. You notice I am wearing my blue robe. I am trying on clothes for you. Today we have another Fashom. Now, this box has been sent to me for review, but I will always give you my honest opinions. So, Fashom is a clothing styling service. You sign up, you go on their website, you fill out a detailed profile, you get paired with a stylist, you are able to leave your stylist a note. The thing that is a little different about Fashom is that you can actually pick the clothing that they send to you. They'll send you an email, they'll give you around 7 items to choose from, you pick 5 of those items, or you have the option to ignore that email, whichever you want to do. They do have a $15 styling fee, which is applied to any purchase that you make. In the meantime, there is a link down below that has all kinds of great information, so please go and watch that video. It tells you all kinds of great things about the company. And with that being said, let's get into Fashom. So opening up my box, I have my packaging here. You also get a return shipping label, so for anything that you do not keep, you just simply put it back in there, throw it back in the mail and send it back. You can go online, check out, leave your feedback for all the pieces that they sent to you so your stylist has a better grasp of the things that you actually like. You get an envelope that says "Hello, Beautiful." And then you do get a card that gives you the directions. I will take a picture and put it on the screen for you. And then you get your invoice. I will also take a picture of this and put it on the screen. The really good thing about this service is that if you get 3 or 4 items, you get a 25% discount. And if you purchase all 5 items, then you get a 30% discount. So let's get into trying these on. Alright, you guys, so that was my Fashom. I did decide to keep 3 of the dresses, so I will throw those pictures up in the corner. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and don't forget, if you want to try it, there is a link below. You get $10 off, I get $10 off. It's a win-win. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day.